guys? You know what we doing here today, right? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And I know, like, I did a top 5 SBs. This was number 1. I did a top 10 dunks in 2024. This was number 1. I mean, in all those videos I told you guys, look, man, it's for how the sneaker looks. A lot of people told me that the sneaker's unwearable. We're going to change that today. So in 4K, I'm coming with y'all with another fire how to style on the Verdy Visties, guys. The Verdy Visties. Y'all see what I got on? Is this not the perfect match? Who told me we couldn't wear these sneakers? Hit the B-roll. I told you. Y'all see, I took that hoodie off, man. It was fur everywhere, man. But if you want, first of all, that was a fire B-roll, right? Please give me a thumbs up. But everything you see in that B-roll, you're not gonna see again. I got some more dope pieces to match this beautiful Easter egg Art Basel sneaker that we got here. The hoodie though. Y'all won't believe where I got that hoodie from. I could give y'all 1,000 guesses. That hoodie came straight from Shein, guys. Shein. I never brought nothing on Shein. The prices were so low, I didn't even believe that was a real site. But they kept emailing me about promotions with the channel. I'm trying to keep my channel promotion free. Just me to you guys. But I gave them up on their offer. I said, let me see what they got. And I found that hoodie, guys. And it was less than $20. So go to Shein, type in lambskin or... Well, I forget the what's the name. But go to Shein, you'll find that hoodie. Trust me, if that's what you want to do. Dope match. But we got some more. Let's start with essentials. And if you watch the channel, you know I tell you that's the go-to when you get a new pair of kicks and you just want a nice, comfy outfit. Luckily, Essential got you. Y'all know I'm bad with the names of these doggone colors. I don't know if this is called Honeydew or Canary. I think this is Canary, guys. Canary fair guard joints. Not my favorite fair guard because it blends in with the color of the joint, but definitely a dope match for those sneakers, man. You know, Easter color, pastel colors. This is a perfect match, man. PacSun or Essence, you get them. Yes, sir. We gonna creep up and then we gonna get more hyper beast. But just go with a Nike SBT, man. I know y'all see the front, y'all like, it's alright. It got the goo and the slime in the front. Cool. Turn it to the back, guys. Every color in that doggone sneaker. Every color in that Verdy Visty is here. And this shirt is very affordable. Under $30. Tilly's.com. Tillys, Tilly's.com. And the material is perfect, beautiful, soft. It's Nike. So you already know what it is. Next up is actually a new tee I just brought. If you haven't, check out my Kith for Sesame Street video. It's mad fire in there, man. Mad hyper beast. But I like this match on the Verdy because it's playful, just like the Verdys. You know the Verdys was made after a plush doll. So Sesame Street, when you think of plush doll, right? The All in the Family, the All Hug, the Big Hug. Let me get the real name for this shirt, man. Hold on, I got y'all. Group Hug. The Group Hug Kith tee, Sesame Street. You got your yellow from Big Bird. I forget, what's her name? Gizmo. I forget that girl name, but she's sporting the pink. Got the purple from the Count Dracula. Perfect match, guys. And I believe you can get this shirt from Kith right now. It didn't sell out. Told you, we gonna creep up. We gonna creep up, man. If you've been under a rock, then you probably haven't heard of Godspeed. They've been killing. They from my city. They from New York. So I gotta support, man. And I really like this tee match. It's a black tee, kind of giving it some, you know, because that's a playful sneaker. But you still get the colors in it, guys. You still get every color that's in that Verdy, especially that nice blue with the Godspeed big right there. Pink skull, got the green, every color's in there, man. Little pricey. I think the tees is $140 from Godspeed, but the material, guys, that's all that matters. I don't care what I pay for something, as long as the material's there. And you know I ain't doing a how to style without showing Supreme love, right? This one right here is the Miss Piggy tee, man. And you know, pink, Miss Piggy pink, matches perfect. And there's some more colors that's in the sneaker from Miss Piggy. Got the background of the green grass. Perfect match. Little bonus in the back and say kissy kissy. I feel like this is a dope match. One of my favorite Supreme tees ever. Like, ever, man. So you got the blue that's in the Verdy Visties. Then on the photo, almost every color, man. The blue, the purple, the pink. It's all there, man. Now, this shirt I had to hunt for. I had it in yellow. I had it in blue, I believe. Not this blue. Y'all know what I mean. And I had to hunt for this one, man. I wanted just getting it on StockX. For not the low, but like $20 over retail. So the shirt is gettable also. Getting off Supreme for a minute. Cactus Jack, man. Astronomical. Fortnite skin. I never knew what to do with this tee, guys, until I got the Verdy Visties. There go that green. There go the purple. There go the pink. Everything there. The Fortnite in the front. The back, you got the Astro World situation. I think the only way you can get this shirt is third party, StockX or GOAT, but it shouldn't be that much. This Fortnite situation was popular, but only in the game. The merch sat for a while. Let's stay with Cactus Jack for a minute. Why don't we? The McDonald's tee, man. Come on. You see the colorway there. The colorway's there. I ain't even got to talk about the actual tee. The graphics. Yellow French fries. McDonald's. The green from the Sprite. This was, I guess, his mail or something. Yeah, this was his mail. The Cactus Jack mail. Everything's there, guys. Again, you're going to have to go third party. All right, let's step the price up. Like I told you guys. Palm Angels tee. Front says Palm. The back says Angels. Perfect match, guys. Yellow tee. You know it's yellow in the Verdys. Palm got the blue and the pink, man. And it looks playful. It looks like a kid drew it and colored in. This is a perfect match, but a little pricey, man. I think I paid like $1.70 for this tee, man. But quality. That's all that matters. Yeah, definitely gotta open the wallet, man. Celine tee. I don't even want to tell y'all what I paid for this tee. But I brought it for my birthday, so that was the excuse. Another perfect match for the Verdy Visties, man. I really don't like this orange here because there's no orange in that sneaker. But everything else, the purple, the blue, it goes, man. Besides that little rust orange, I really like this match. Just very pricey. This one here looks pricey. I know y'all see the Louis Vuitton logos, but it's not Louis Vuitton, so not that pricey. This is actually, I was about to say Chinatown. This is from the Market. They used to be called Chinatown. The Market, man. And this is dope. They did like they Louis Vuitton replica situation. And I really like this. I actually brought this for the CSC Dunks, but y'all can see I still ain't wear them. Still a perfect match, man. Still a perfect match to me. The Louis Vuitton, you got that pink, that blue, the yellow, the purple. I really like this match. And I paid under $100. The Dior shorts from my mans at Bravest Studios, man. They came hard with these shorts. They the ones who made the Louis Vuitton shorts that people were going crazy over. Now they making a whole bunch of like bear shoes and bear hats and hawk slippers. But this is their bread and butter, man. And I really like these Dior shorts, man. I like the match. I know it's just pink, but I really like this match. And about $80. These track pants has become popular over the years. I have almost every color, but this color here matches perfect. You really don't have to go to a dedicated person. Zamich have them. Zamich be having a whole bunch of discounts. So I would say go there, but just go to your Google and type in track pants and you're gonna get these, man. But the quality on Zamich is dope. You see the strings, zip pockets, you know. So if you want like some quality, I'll say go to Zamich, and it's for the low. Hats. This hat right here is a perfect match, man. I wore this hat with my
A few moments later.
Grateful Deads, but I really like it better on the Verdy Visties. I think with the Verdy Visties, this hat is dope. As far as your regular fitteds, I like this Supreme hat. It's just that greenish blue that's in the sneaker. Got a nice cross on it, so I really like this hat. San Antonio Spurs throwback hat by Mitchell & Ness. I didn't get this hat on in life. I think I had this hat for 3 years. This is a great match too if you want to stay consistent, colorful, and you know, it's a good match. Speaking of colorful, I feel like you can even steal this from the other SB, the Ben & Jerry joint, because the colors are consistent and they match here too, but I would kind of just leave this for the Ben & Jerry's. And another hat that I actually wore with the sneaker I just showed y'all also matches the Verdy's too. This is straight from Hat Club, the Chicago Cubs joint. I don't remember the name of this pack. I just know we say All-Star Game Chicago. I just know it's a good match. Supreme dropped a lot of good beanies this year. I feel like this pink one would kill with them Verdy Visties. This keychain still gets me, man. So yeah, y'all, that was a how to style on the Verdy Visty joints. I still got the hat on. It's so comfortable. Let me know in the comment section below if you need help with sizing, securing, finding anything, man. As soon as I see it, I'll hit y'all right back. I appreciate you guys, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.